Dash cams are becoming a must-have for safe and smart driving. In 2025, the latest models offer crystal-clear video, advanced night vision, and features like parking mode and GPS tracking. These gadgets help protect you on the road and record important moments. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip lover, finding the perfect dash cam can make your travels worry-free. We listed the top 5 best dash cams in 2025. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Escort MAXCAM 360C Dash Cam. The Escort MAXCAM 360C combines a high-performance radar detector with a powerful dash camera, giving you the ultimate protection on the road. The dash cam captures crisp footage in full HD, while the radar detector provides real-time alerts for speed traps, red light cameras, and more. With built-in Wi-Fi and seamless compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, staying connected has never been easier. You'll also appreciate the 360-degree directional awareness, which alerts you to threats from every angle. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Looking for something small but mighty? Meet the Garmin Mini 2, a dash cam so compact, you'll forget it's even there. Despite its size, it records in clear 1080p with a wide 140-degree field of view. One of my favorite features is the voice control. It's so convenient when you're on the go. Plus, its parking surveillance ensures your car stays protected at all times. If you want top-notch performance without bulk, this is the dash cam for you. Number 3. Nextbase 622 gigawatts 4K dash cam. For those who want the ultimate in dash cam technology, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts is a game-changer. This beauty records in stunning 4K at 120 frames per second, giving you incredibly smooth and detailed footage. The image stabilization ensures a clear picture even on bumpy roads, and the extreme weather mode is perfect for tough conditions. What sets it apart is the built-in Bluetooth and touchscreen. It's so easy to use. If you love cutting-edge gadgets, this dash cam will blow you away. Number 2. Cobra SC 400D Dash Cam. The Cobra SC 400D takes dash cams to the next level. With 4K resolution and a responsive touchscreen, it's a premium option for anyone serious about road safety. What I find amazing is its advanced driver assistance systems, which alert you to potential dangers while driving. Add to that Wi-Fi connectivity and cloud video management, and you've got a dash cam that's as smart as it is reliable. It's perfect for tech-savvy drivers who want the best. Number 1. Nextbase IQ2K. Say hello to the future of smart driving with the Nextbase IQ2K Smart Dash Cam. This advanced dash cam is packed with cutting-edge features designed to keep you safe and connected. It records in crisp 2K resolution, ensuring every detail on the road is captured, while the built-in 4G LTE connectivity keeps you updated in real time. The integrated GPS allows for precise location tracking, making it perfect for long trips or monitoring your vehicle's whereabouts. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.